Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up account alerts in Lendingclub. Now, account alerts keep you updated on important activities like deposits, withdrawals, or low balances. So let's get into it. Now, the first step is to log into your Lendingclub account. Now, all you got to do is open the app, or you can just visit the website and sign into your account using your credentials. Next is to go to notifications or alerts. Now from the dashboard, you're just going to tap settings, and then you're going to find notifications and alerts. Next is to choose the type of alerts. So you can typically enable alerts for low balances, for income deposits, for loan payment reminders, and of course for large transactions. Next step is to set your delivery method. Now you can select whether you want alerts via email, SMS, or app push notifications. Once you've selected that, just save and activate. So just tap save settings to confirm. Now a pro tip is to start with low balance and loan payment alerts first, because they're going to help you to avoid overdraft fees and late payments. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.